Hi, it's Habib here. Always people are desperate on making money online. What of, taking loan online too? Taking a loan without going through a lot of processes before accessing that loan. Access the loan online, invest into your business, then pay later. If that's what you want, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you step by steps to get up to 1,000 Ghana cedis under 1 minute. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. As I said, in this video I'm going to share with you steps to get up to 1,000 Ghana cedis loan under 1 minute. And a lot of people might be thinking and be wondering, is that possible? Yes, it is. With QwikLoan, you don't need to provide proofs of collateral in order to access the loan. MTN mobile money customers can access loan up to 1,000 Ghana cedis, and here there are terms and conditions. As you already know, the requirement is you have to be 18 years and above, you have to be an active MTN user, you have to be registered on the MTN mobile money service and actively use the wallet for transaction including purchasing of airtime, sending and receiving of money and what have you. And you have to also pay previous loan if you've borrowed before. With this, you can borrow 1,000 Ghana cedis, or you can receive 1,000 Ghana cedis as loan for your business. Here are the steps for us to get our QwikLoan. Just head onto your dialer and dial *170#. Then you can see a lot of options. Just dial or just hit on option 5, which is financial services. Then option 3, which is loans. That's only if you meet all the requirements. Then after hitting option 5, you can see option 1, which says quick loan. Hit on it. Now welcome to loans 1, get a loan, and it continues. So just choose option 1, get a loan. Enter your Momo PIN number to confirm. So at the moment, when you enter your Momo PIN to confirm, if you are qualified, MTN will notify you, but if you are not, they will tell you, and also tell you to check as time goes on and see whether you are qualified for the MTN loan, which you can also receive up to 1,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, it is possible. So after entering the loan, you enter your secret mobile money PIN to finalize the process. If your application is approved, you will receive an SMS to confirm the loan amount, the requirement amount, the interest rate of 6.9%, and the due date for payment or the due date for repayment. And this is just a simple step for you to receive your 1,000 Ghana cedis in your wallet. Then make sure you pay at the exact date required. This video is educative and a simple step, of course. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.